Hello students, in this video let me explain types of human resource audit. There are several types of audits are there, but each one is designed to accomplish different objectives. Some of the more common types are explained here. First, time period, next conduct and purpose. First, time period. Most of the organization follow an irregular audit, which is they don't have fixed time for audit. They can take place like once in a year or maybe once in 3 years. But as per the changing time, audit should take place on fixed time period and regularly. Next, conduct. In this type of auditing can be carried out by any of the following, either internal audit or external audit. Internal audit, this type of audit takes place within the organization and is performed by internal management. External audit, it can be take place within the organization premises or even outside. External professionals can audit in this type. Unlike internal audit, the outcome of evaluation from the external audit is always unbiased because results may get vary. Next type, purpose. Purpose, as per purpose required, audits can be divided into following: compliance audit, best practices organization audit, strategic audit, and job specific audit. First, let us see compliance audit. Compliance audit. In this audit, auditor checks whether all the departments are following the rules and regulations of the organization or not. Next, best practices organization audit. In this audit, the task executed by HR department and compared with the best practices of other organizations. Next one, strategic audit. In this audit, it focuses on strengths and weaknesses of systems and processes to determine whether they align with the HR department and the organization strategic plan. Next, job specific audit. In this audit, auditing focus is on a specific area in the HR department. Example, payroll, recruitment, performance management, and recording retention details, etc. With this, types of HR audit have been explained. Thank you.